Would you like to earn $300 in 1 hour? Yes, you can. Today I will show you a great secret web that pays you loads of money for doing a simple job that you can actually make it automated thanks to secret app that I will show you in a few seconds. So stay tuned and remember, watch it carefully and don't skip the video to be able to do it the correct way. Welcome, my name is Agnes Glagowska and I help beginning online entrepreneurs to start their online journey. Today I will show you a brilliant website that pays great money for easy job that you can actually spend only a couple of minutes a day and make over $1,000 a month. So let's get started. Don't be shy, leave your comment in the description and please subscribe for more videos like that, helping other people with their side hustles online. Today I will show you a great website. It's called Creative Jobs. So CJINC.info, and they offer great opportunities like online survey jobs, online typing jobs, offline typing jobs, online teaching jobs, proofreading, content writing jobs, ad publishing jobs, language translation jobs, and medical transcription jobs. Today we will have a look at proofreading jobs. So here we are on the proofreading page, and as we see, the proofreading jobs are very well paid actually, because as a proofreader you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. Rates are depending on the work nature and accuracy level. So if you get, let's say, 10 files of proofreading, you earn $50. So if you do this work for only 25 days, then your monthly earnings would be $1,250. It's great because you only spend literally a couple of minutes thanks to one great app that not many people know about it. And those people who don't know about that app, they will spend few hours doing the proofreading the harder way, where you can spend your time doing proofreading in a couple of minutes. So if you already like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. So we will go the secret website that will do all the hard work for us is, wait a second, first I will show you how to open your account with Creative Jobs to get jobs from them. So basically you go down that proofreading page where you are on proofreading jobs, scroll down, and there is a yellow button, apply for jobs. So apply now. CJINC provides the stepping stone that enable you to create your optimal career path, and all you need to do is just download the application form, read the instructions carefully to fill down that application form. After filling up the application form, send it to us by email. So here is the application form. Let's have a look. Registration form. So you're applying for proofreading jobs, yes. Then you put your name, email, date of birth, gender, married status. You can press other, married or unmarried. Sometimes for, I think, survey purposes that matters, contact number, country, and proofreading status. I would put employed, so choose the one or more career options that suit you. So I would prefer to put employed because I would prefer to get more jobs from the website. So working as a full kind of employee, that's how I understand that question. And what hours are you available to work? I would say from 10 a.m. I would take both of those. So from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. basically all day long. And literally you will be able to earn far more than over $1,000 a month if you spend a couple of hours a day just doing this simple proofreading. And I will show you in a couple of minutes how to save time just doing this proofreading. You are comfortable to work with one company, I would say to go for multiple companies, because then you will get more work working for a couple of companies, not just one. There will be different topics, obviously. So, articles about different stuff, but it doesn't matter for us because we are clever enough here and we will have a special website. We'll have a secret weapon here that will do all the work for us. So best way to receive earnings, choose your preferences. Mine would be PayPal. It's always safe enough. And just tick and signature, mention your complete name as digital signature. So write your name and then press submit. Then you will get on your email a sample of job, and here it is. That's the sample job. Let's say it's nearly 3.5 pages long, over 1,000 words. And now here we go to our secret weapon. So we press Ctrl A, so we highlight all the text, Ctrl C, so we copy all the text, and we go to a website called slickwrite.com and we paste literally everything what we have here and press continue. So here we are, we have some highlighted words that needs to be checked, double checked or corrected. So we press on them and the work goes much quicker. We can do exactly the same going to Grammarly. Grammarly, it's a free extension that you plug into your browser, and basically you can check the spellings and do the proofreading in your email, Outlook, any messenger, Yahoo. As you see, it works as well on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So here we go to the mailbox and paste in all the article. So as you see, there are some highlighted words which basically we only press and correct what's wrong. To be honest, this text is nearly done because I've done it before a little bit. There will be, so it goes a little bit quicker, but it's literally that easy. You spent, even if it took another 5-10 minutes doing the full proofreading, that's your 5-10 euro earned for doing this, if not more. And easy money, you can earn easily more than $1,000 a month, and you can take loads of such jobs every single day and do your full-time work just doing the proofreading in a simple way, not the hard way. If you consider this side hustle idea as a good one for you, then go ahead and create your account with Creative Jobs and apply for proofreading jobs. You can as well use and do the other jobs if you feel it, you have abilities to do translations and other stuff. But I'm showing you an easy way of earning a couple of hundreds, if not thousands, every single month. And I just spent literally less than a minute doing proofreading of that document that is over 1000 words long, and it took me only literally a couple of seconds. So you can definitely do the proofreading of at least 10 of those documents every single day, thanks to Grammarly or thanks to SlickWrite website, and you will be literally smashing it. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel to let it grow so other people like you can find some side hustling ideas that they can do online from home. Thanks very much and see you next time.